Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to obtain the following information about the graph of the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 18. We're going to start with the y-intercept. And to find the y-intercept, we are going to replace the variable x with 0 and then solve. So remember that the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. And any point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So for our function, we will take our function, we will take out the variable x, and we will replace it with a value of 0. Now our goal is to simplify the right side. So 0 squared is 0. 3 times 0 is also 0, and then minus 18. So now our sum, on our final answer, will be negative 18. So our y-intercept, written in ordered pair, will be 0, negative 18. Let's now go to our x-intercept, which is a similar process, except we're going to replace the y-coordinate with 0 and then solve. Now in this case, we don't have a y-coordinate, but it's important to remember that y is equal to f of x, so we are going to replace f of x with 0. So what we'll get is 0 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 18, and our goal is to solve that quadratic equation. Now we can do this by using the quadratic formula, or we can choose to factor the right side. When we factor the right side, we have x plus 6 times x minus 3. We can now use the zero product property to get our two solutions of negative 6 and positive 3. This means we have two x-intercepts. And in ordered pair format, that's going to be negative 6, 0 and 3, 0. And now to our last problem, which is asking, what is x if f of x is equal to 10? So our goal now is to replace the f of x notation with a value of 10. So we'll have 10 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 18. We now have a quadratic equation that we need to solve. Our first step is to subtract 10 to both sides, giving us a new equation of 0 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 28. We can now solve by either factoring or the quadratic formula. To the right here, I'm going to go ahead and factor. So I will get 0 is equal to x plus 7 times x minus 4. And so now I'll use the zero product property to find my two values of negative 7 and positive 4. That means I have two input values that result in the same output value of 10. And so my ordered pairs will be negative 7, 10, and 4, 10. All right, guys, good luck.